Welcome to Colorful Cute Kids Channel.
Hello everyone and welcome to the Colorful Cute Kids Channel. Today we are going to drawing and coloring a happy farm, drawing a barn and a farmer. Let's start drawing. First I draw a barn, starting with its window like this. Then I draw some straws. Below the window, I draw a main door. Then I draw the roof of the barn. I continue to draw the walls of this barn. Do you know, the walls of this barn are built of wood? To draw the wall of the barn straight and beautiful, I will use this ruler. The wooden pieces are of equal width. Next to this barn, I draw a farmer. First, I draw his face with little eyes and a smiling mouth. Then, I draw his 2 ears and his hair. I draw a hat on his head like this. Then, I draw his body. First, I draw his clothes. I draw his hands like this. Then I draw his boot. His hand is holding a pitchfork. In the sky, I draw a sun like this. Now, I'm going to use this black marker to make this drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. To color our drawing, we need the following colors: yellow, sky blue, brown. First, I use brown to paint the roof of this barn. I color the walls of Barn Plum. This color is so sweet. color the main door of this barn plumb. It is also made from wood. Then I use yellow to paint these straws. Black. For the farmer, I use yellow to paint his hat. Then I use orange and sky blue to paint his clothes. I color his hair brown. And I also color his boot brown. For this sun, I use yellow to paint. Then I color this pitchfork gray. Cream for his skin. Great job! If you like this video, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.